welcome. We have this lesson and the lesson after this lesson we are going to create some mini projects. You may ask why, but the more important thing we are going to create them is because you need to start coding to become professional, not to learn a lot of aspects without coding. Okay, let's see what is the problem of this lesson is. We are going to create a program that asks a user to enter a numerical score from 0 to 100, use a statement to define the letter grade based on the score, the grade B, grade C, grade D, grade F, and display the corresponding letter grade. Its input is enter your score 85 and your grade is B. Okay, what I want you to do, I want you to pause this video and, for example, shut this video down and try to write this code by yourself. Try even harder, even it gets you need 1 hour times or 50 minutes, 30 minutes. Try to thinking about it and writing it without searching the internet, because it's good you can have an algorithm understand how to algorithms works. It's really important for you and the future of you if you are going to do programming, because when you understand the algorithm aspect of the coding, everything become more easier and more understandable as you go. Okay, I gave you some times to work on it, and after 5 seconds I start solving this problem. Okay, let's start. At first, I gave you some hints. Let's go and create this code. At first, we create a text code as always, and let's write here. Let's create a text code here. Here, I think good, and say in bold text our grade divider code. Okay, we write our project here and start. Let's create an empty code here. Let's see if I can delete this. Create an empty text code. Okay, no, it's not looking great. I don't like it. Okay, let's go and create this. At first, we need to create our text code here. Need to write creating inputs. The first step, creating inputs. The second step is creating outputs. The third step is, why we are going to do third step? We are going to create our operation, and let's see what our operation have. Our operation have one step, and the step is dividing and choosing the grade. Okay, let's go and start it. At first, we need to creating our what inputs. Let's create A is equal to input. This code is running great, we know, and just for seeing, let's see what our input is, your grade is. We copy that and paste it here. Now we can run it. Every time you write a code, divide it to the sections and cells to run it, because if you make something wrong after creating too many lines of code, it's harder for you to understand what is the problem is. Okay, let's name it the score. And the thing you must never forget is that the score is integer, it's number. We must to change the format type. Now the code is running great. After that, we need to create our outputs. What output we have? Your grade is, it's just that, print your grade is, and after that we just simply put grade. Let's see if the code is running right or not. We create a thing called grade and it's equal to A, for example. Let's run it. Yes, the answer is right and it's working great. And if you want, you can put this dot at the end too. And the thing is that it's want the dot nearer, we can't make it like this, I think. The dot is here. Okay. Now we create our output. What we need to do now, we need to create our operation. It said that it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grades. So we need 5 if. Let's create our first if. If the grade is, we don't have something in if, we put it like this. We just can use one function at a time. We just create if score is greater than, but it's greater equal than 90, print, just for check, print, for example, 100. Let's see if our code is working or not. We give the score number 90. Let's see if it print 100 or the code is working right. What do you think we need? We need our grade is topper than 90 and lesser than 100. Score is less equal 100. Print A. Yes, the code is running right. Let's check, for example, if we gave it 101, it's print nothing. It's right. Now we here just simply say grade is equal to A. Now we copy that, paste it 5 times. Why 5 times? We have 5 grades. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 times. Now let's go and copy that. We have grade B, grade C, grade D, and F. Let me just change them. B, C. After C we have D, F. A, B, C, D, F. D, F. Okay, let me delete this. This one is no needed. Now, before that, we comment that here, creating the grade maker, for example, code or section. Which one you understand? Okay, it's created. Now we need to run it. Why we can't run it? Because we didn't modification these places. Let's see. It said that the grade is from 89 to 80. The more important thing is that it's less than 89, not less equal. Because why? If we put that here, we get 2 grades. Let me show you. For example, if we no, it's right. It's divide them perfectly. 89, we don't need to change anything. I am wrong. The grade B is 80, bigger than 80, smaller than 89. 79, 70, bigger than 79, smaller than 70, bigger than 60, smaller than 69, smaller than 59, or bigger than 0, smaller than 59. Now let's run it. For example, let's say our input, the code is syntactically running right. Let's say our input First one is 56. It's gonna be F. Let's run it and see what it shows. It say F. The code is running great. Now let's put it together and debug it and see if all the lines working well or not. Okay, we need to test something. At first we need to test the numbers are in the edge. For example, 89. And as you can see in the edge is running greatly. For example, 69, it's gonna be the code ended here. But you don't forget the exercise isn't end. You must try harder and harder to learn what algorithm is. This is the thing that even AI can't hardly make it for you. You need to learn it, do it by yourself. The AI can help you, but you need to understand this concept by yourself to do the best job. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the end of this lesson. We are going to solve another problem in the next lesson. Have a good time. Until tomorrow.